Hey, it's Matt with Doug with Goodwill. Now, I miss arts and crafts from elementary school. The cutting, the taping, the coloring. You miss those kind of things. But with Goodwill, you can still make that happen.
That's right. It's not just about costumes at Goodwill, it's about creating your whole spooky entryway to make it look spooktacular. So what we did, we just took some pieces of paper, some tape, and some artwork, and now we're creating our own haunted entryway. Super simple to do, and it's not just limited to frames and pictures. You can do a Halloween Christmas tree. The imagination can form some immaculate things.
So let's show the pictures off to Mom.
This is for Mom.
Pretty good. Now, if you're not too crafty, you want to try something different, there's plenty of decorations, not only for Halloween that you can see all over here, they got stuff for every type of year and whatever space you have. For more information, go to goodwill.ab.ca.